My name is Kaizad. Just to give you a brief background, I work with Rustomjee. It's my 9th year going on. 25th June, I'll enter my 10th year with Rustomjee. Awesome company to work with. Before this, I was with the Taj Group of Hotels. And for a short period of time, I tried to do my own business. Miserable failure. Could not handle money at all. I trusted every Tom, Dick, and Harry who came right straight in my way. And zero, I would say, management of finances. And hats off to all of you. I wish I had one of you as my friend at that time, and I probably would have been a business person. But no regrets at all. Very, very happy with Rustomjee. In the next 10 minutes or so, I'm going to share with you something which most of you knowledgeable, intelligent ladies and gentlemen probably know. Treat this as a reinforcement, please, in case you already know most of the things I'm saying. But however, the idea or the objective being that why is real estate, even today, with all the rumors and all the crazy things people talk about it, and all the negative talk that the media shoves down our throats and our minds and our eyes, why is real estate still the best investment on earth is what I'm going to share with you a few pointers, okay? I'm going to start with some tangible, actual statistics. These are statistics done by McKinsey. Nothing emotional about it, nothing, no gizmos, no buzz, no marketing gimmicks, pure data, right? So we're going to go ahead with that. There we go. Even today, 27 million shortages of homes. This tells you everyone knows the basic thing we learned in Standard 12th. Price is a function of demand supply. As long as there's a demand and the supply is far, far below the demand, we will always have a price increase over a period of time. How do you like this? A lot of people don't know this. Upwards of 900 million square meters are going to be in demand in the urban areas over the next 5 to 10 years. I love this one. Like most people in the room, 35, underage, dual income, no kids, maximum people in Thana where we have a 4,000 acre, 4,000 crore township, our maximum customers are of this kind of age group. And that's what India is composed of. So you can imagine the burst in demand which is going to happen over the next few years. I was thinking if Mr. Chidambaram, our finance minister, was kind enough to have Oscar awards for the economy and various aspects of the economy, I'm sure real estate would get some kind of a small best supporting actor role for helping so many other industries make money as well, along with us. $12 billion, quite a promising figure. About to shoot to $90 billion in the next 5 years. Yeah. All the naysayers, I tell my salespeople, I said, whoever talks negative about real estate, please take down their name, please take down their phone number. In the next 5 years, it's 2014, in 2019, I'm going to call all of them and tell them, look, you said no, and look at what the prices are, and look at what the situation is right now. I really, really love to prove the naysayers wrong, in a positive way, of course. Hence, Mr. Robert Allen said this, wise man, of course. Aaj lega, kal lega, aaj lega, kal lega, aaj lega, kal lega, karke you never end up buying. And like Warren Buffett or one of the smart people, I don't know who to attribute this quote to, it's not timing the market, it's the time in the market. There is no way anybody, how much ever they may claim, experts on the CNBC and all these lovely people, they come on TV claiming to be experts, no one, if they were so smart, they would all be rich like Warren Buffett. And Warren Buffett, I think, has said, it's not timing the market, it's time in the market. And real estate is one of those asset classes where you have to invest time in the market. And I tell people it's a game of patience. If you don't have patience, please don't come to real estate. Go to Dalal Street, please. The raw material for real estate, we cannot manufacture it in a factory. It's there for everyone to see. As a matter of fact, you would notice that the whole of Bombay city is moving northwards. Once upon a time, Nariman Point had a sheen. It was the Kohinoor of Bombay, and amongst the most real estate and expensive properties in the whole world, fifth most expensive commercial, equal to London and giving a tough competition to New York and all those kind of places. But today, how many people are talking about Nariman Point? If you go in a train in the morning, you will see 40-50% of the crowds, they get down at Bandra. The remaining 20-30% of the crowds, they get down at Lower Parel. By the time it reaches Churchgate, it's not as crowded as it used to be 5 to 10 years back. That itself is a sign of the times to come and what's already changing. Hence, Mr. Mark Twain, I thought he was a poet, but he still said something about real estate. This is the diet which we are going to suggest for the bursting and the fat-bellied metros which are bursting at the seams today. This is what the requirement, and the government is toying with the idea of coming up with 12 new cities. And this will tell you the kind of opportunities that are going to be unleashed for all of you in the room as well as for the Aam Janta at India outside. This is another very promising statistic, fact of the matter. 87 metros jumping up from the current 40, 45. Almost an addition of 35 new metros over the next 5 years all over India. This itself is a lot of people say this is not the right time to buy, not the right time. Demand कब तक चलते रहेगा? अरे जब तक लोग घर में रहेंगे तब तक demand चलते रहेगा. The demand for real estate will stop only when all of us decide, I'm fed up of staying at a home, I'm going to buy a tree and stay on a treetop. That's when the demand for real estate will stop. Till then, we will continue to have a demand for real estate, my friends. So there we go. How many of these people do you reckon are wanting to shift from a rented accommodation to an actual accommodation? How many of them? I would reckon 90%, probably 100% of them. How many of us love to stay in a rented home? There you are. This itself will prove to you the kind of potential demand there in Bombay itself. This is a killer, absolute killer. Sorry, can you see? 5 billion people wanting to stay in homes. Think about it. Where are you going to put your money? Louis Glickman, obviously a smart person, said, the best investment on earth is earth. Lovely saying. Talking about Rustomji, how many of you heard of Rustomji prior to coming in the room? May I see a show of hands? Just to get an idea about Rustomji. Okay, fine. Thank you very much. That's nice. I think the rest of you must be from out of Bombay, I'm hoping. Okay. We have already delivered close to 5 million square feet of development. 30 million square feet of development is planned. And as we are speaking, concrete is being poured on 15 million square feet of development. So we are not the big giant killers of the world, but yes, we are a short company which is growing at a very steady pace, which is winning the hearts and love of customers, and focusing on quality, focusing on location, focusing on the best practices of real estate, giving the basics to customers. That's what we are all about. One of the hot spots, one of the hot properties, BKC Oriana. Few years back, 3 years back, we launched this property at 13,500, 14,000 in the pre-launch. Today it's going at 35,500, 4 years. 13,000, 35,000, 4 years. Do the math. How much is it? 13 to the 26, 13 to the 39. 300% in 4 years. Is that bad? That's fantastic. Absolutely. Another beautiful property. I had a house on the 26th floor in one of these buildings, Alanza, right opposite Inorbit Mall. I'm telling you, the closest to nirvana I have experienced in Bombay City, yeah, is when I was sitting there in the evening and watching the sunset, and it was a rainy day, and I was thinking, oh wow, this is so beautiful. I mean, I couldn't imagine I was in Bombay. I couldn't imagine this. The views are available from the higher floors on all the 3 buildings. This property is absolutely, I mean, it's worth, I would say, 80% of the money that you would have put into this. It's really beautiful property of ours, Alanza. Anybody who wants 70 to 80% appreciation in the next 3 years, put your money on this property. It's 3 minutes walk away from Carter Road. We have our famous author of 3 Idiots, Mr. Chetan Bhagat, who's invested in this property. So there you are, and a lot of people from the National Stock Exchange, a very senior person, and many more people have invested in this property. It's a beautiful property by Talati Pantaki. We have another property at Upper Jew, close to, in the next 6 months, we'll be handing over the keys. It's Rustomji Elita, one of the gullies opposite the club. Beautiful property, 3-4 BHKs with lavish balconies, 2 BHKs as well. Do come and take a look if you are interested. There we go. I love this. This is the most beautiful township that we have. IGBC Gold Certified Township, 4,000 homes. Awesome quality of construction, awesome amenities. We have 5-acre podiums out there with Olympic-sized swimming pools. We have 10 guest rooms. That means if one of your guests comes over there, you don't have to put him up in your house. We have 10 guest rooms out there. You can allow your friends and family during weddings or whatever to stay in those guest rooms. And the best-in-class internal amenities, the best-in-class external amenities at a very value pricing. You can do the math. Every walk-in who comes into my township or any of my properties, we show them a competitor research analysis, starting from an apple-to-apple comparison. Stage of one of the biggest mistakes I tell my walk-ins who are like literally jittery. 2-3 mistakes people make while buying real estate. Mistake number 1, they only think of today's problem. They only think of today's financial situation. They are fear-driven, and some of them are investors are greed-driven. How many of you heard of Robert Kiyosaki? Rich dad, poor dad. What did he say? Any decision, any financial decision, I would say any emotional decision also I would like to add to that. Any emotional financial decision triggered by fear, triggered by greed, is going to fall flat on its face. Never take a decision out of fear, never take a decision out of greed, take it out of facts, yeah? And you will really be on the right track to riches and wealth. This is one of the best investments. We started this at 3,000 rupees 6 years back. People are lapping it off like hotcakes at 10,000 even today. We are doing close to 40, 50 crore business consistently for the past 6 months. One of the best selling properties in Thana. Even the person who's selling second is like, sorry to say, very, very far behind in sales behind us. Worth a look if you have a budget close to 1 crore. Bombay is shifting northwards, like I told you. Nariman Point is a hub. Now Lower Parel is considered a hub with all the Marriotts and the Shangri-Las and the Four Seasons coming up over there and the ITCs and all that. Very soon, even Andheri already, Andheri Kurla is considered as a hub. Malad is considered as a hub for commercial and all-round holistic development. Very soon, Borivali is going to start becoming a hub. It's a trend. Anybody who can spot a trend 5 years in advance is going to be loaded. I tell you something, all it takes is to spot a trend. And one of the best ways to spot a trend is to see what has happened in the past 10 years. Where is Bombay moving? Look at the infrastructure, look at the metros, look at the link roads, look at the airports, look at what's happening to the bridges, the roads, the connectivity, the skywalks. Understand the trends. The person who is a master of understanding this trend is going to be floating in crores of rupees in the next 5 to 10 years. I tell you that. You're going to leave a really lovely legacy for your family. Rustomjee could be one of those service providers who help you with that. Like, we have had minimum 300% appreciation in the life cycle of our project. From the day we launched the project till the time we hand over keys, track record of 300% appreciation. Track record. Without fail, in some cases it's been more. 8.68 lakhs, we started a 1 BHK, today is going at 30 lakhs, 4 years. How much is that? 300% in 4 years, is that bad? That's the kind of wealth we create for our customers. This is Aishwarya Rai, or whoever you love, and for the ladies it's Brad Pitt, yeah. The best of the best, the cream of the creme de la creme property. This property, if you walk into it and take a look at it, it's right opposite the club. You will be dazzled. You will actually be hypnotized. I mean, some of the best people in Bollywood, Hollywood, I mean, people have come from abroad. They have just said, wow. There's only one word coming out of their mouths and hearts. It's wow. Highly recommended to come and take a look. One of its kind. Elements. There we go. We are having 1 million square feet in Borivali itself, 15 lakh square feet at Upper Jew. Bandra itself, 15 lakh square feet. That's the kind of focus we are having in BKC because we can see the future. When I joined Rustomjee 2005, my boss took me to Thana. He said, Kaidar, I 127 acre. It was a swamp. It was a swamp. I said, what? He's going to build a township in this God-forsaken forest land? I mean, 9 years, so much has changed. I am like, oh God, I can't believe in 9 years so much has changed. Today, then I'm realizing this business is a business of vision, boss. It's a business of vision. The person who can see today it's 2014, the lady or the gent who can see 2024 what's going to happen to Bombay, that guy or that person is going to be loaded. It's simple. It's a business of vision, nothing else. Some of our lovely properties, yeah, beautiful elevations and high standard quality stuff. Okay, I'm going to talk something on, location being equal, amenities being equal, everything being equal. There are a couple of differentiators we have. One of the biggest differentiators is your service to the customer. We are very, very, very high on servicing our customers, attending to their needs, listening to them, being thoughtful towards what they want. Child centricity is one of the focus areas of Rustomjee. How many of you have kids in the room? May I have a show of hands? Children? Rest of you not married? Okay. I'm talking about your own children, huh, Baba? Anyway, I don't have kids, so I know. But my boss is passionate about education. He's really passionate about education. We've got another huge, I think, 200-acre land in Kasara where he's going to build a big university, and he's very passionate towards education. Anyway, people talk about, "Arey, thoda kam karo, discount do." Discount mangta hai, discount mangta hai, discount mangta hai, discount mangta hai. I'm like, I must have heard this word 5,555.5 times. I'm like, how do I make people understand that, discount comes at a cost, I said, you want a discount. How much discount do you want? With 300 rupees. I said, you want 300 rupees discount per square feet? I have no problem, boss. I will, instead of giving you 800 by 800 vitrified stone finished double charged tiles, I'll give you Bindi Bazaar, Duncan Road. I will go over there and pick up 40 rupees per square feet wala tile and put in your home. Are you fine with that? So please understand that when you ask for discount, being a business person, two things will happen. Either he's not going to remove money from his pocket and give it to you. He will either have to compromise on quality or he will have to compromise on profit margins. Profit margins are very thin today. As much as you people think we are making a lot of money, but we are treading on thin ice because all the money that is customers are making. In Virar, my customers, 2,000 customers have made money. We have made fortunes for our customers. Trust me on that. Trust me on that. We have made fortunes for our customers. That's one of the reasons 40-50% of my business till today comes from word of mouth, comes from friends and relatives, comes from people recommending others. Quality is something which we are very focused on. Slump test for the cement. We have 5 different tests only for one block of cement. Slump test, slurry test, cone test, compacting test, non-destructive test. And when people say, "Mujhe sasta mangta hai," so I show this to them. Can you read, guys, behind? Okay, point taken. I'm going to move on. Most of my projects have beaten the Sensex. We have done a quality track record of the Sensex versus my projects. We are right on top. Okay. Warren Buffett, everybody loves him. Undisputably the richest man in the world. Don't get into what the media says. Don't be driven by fear. Listen to what Robert Kiyosaki says. Think 2024. Yeah, this is the way you got to think. Okay. Last couple of points. Compared to gold, compared to stocks, people always ask me, what is better? People say, I said, gold is better, gold is better. I said, gold is very nice, better. You like gold, fantastic. I have no problem with your loving gold. But can you actually go to Dhanabai jeweler and say, Kanti bhai, ek kaam karo tame, I 20 lakh rupiya chahe, 20 lakhs here, please give me 1 crore rupees of gold. Anybody would do that? Obviously no, right? But in real estate, yes, if you have 20 lakhs in your pocket today, you can go to a developer and say, here is my 20 lakh rupees, yeah, and you can book a home which is worth 1 crore. So one of the most powerful things with real estate, which neither stock market can offer you, neither gold can offer you, is leverage. It's undisputed killer. It puts stocks and golds way, way far behind in terms of building wealth, big time, right? Another thing is, hence we say Donald Trump. We all love Donald Trump. Some of them love him, some of them hate him, but that's what he says. Tax benefits, 2.5 lakh rupees, principal plus interest amount year on year for the next 5 years. Yeah. And the third thing which I love, ready possession में नहीं लेने का, ready possession में appreciation नहीं होएगा. अरे appreciation नहीं होगा जितना under construction में होगा. I agree with you, boss. However, understand that you can start getting a rental yield straight away. This is I'm talking if you are an investor. Second thing is, a lot of people have not heard about this concept called, I mean, they've heard about it, but they've not thought about themselves using your, have you thought of putting your own property on reverse mortgage? The moment you touch 60, you can go to bank, Diwan Housing Finance as of right now. In USA, this is a very normal thing. Abroad, it's very normal. I'm hoping it'll become very normal and a big thing out here in Bombay in the next 5 to 10 years. You can take your property and tell the manager, boss, ye mera property hai. He will divide 70% of the valuation of your property into equal installments. Till the day we die, we will keep getting at least dal, roti, chawal, tadka to milega apne ko. So basics will be taken care of. And the day you die, if there is any value still remaining in your property, it will be equally distributed to your people who are remaining. This is the most awesome, powerful kind of life insurance you can ever buy. I see real estate as a life insurance. Compared to normal, typical market life insurance, if you want the money, what has to happen to you? What has to happen to us? Ram Ram Satya hona padega bhai. You have to die to enjoy the money. If you are insured. Here, you can enjoy your money while you are still alive and still build a legacy for your family and friends. Last but this is the last slide. I'd like to share with you, Rustomjee is a company focused on quality, focused on building wealth, and it's a company with a heart. One of the reasons, 10 years I'm going to be with it, and most of the staff you've seen Rustomjee are 5-10 years. Our Baman Irani, Percy Chaudhary, our directors are driven by the heart. We have an initiative for every person who buys a home, we educate a child. If I'm going to sell, which my target for Thana is 5 lakh square feet, for every 100 lakh square feet, we're going to educate a kid. So you do the math, how much, that's like 50 years of education just for my sales of Thana for 1 year. That's a lot of education happening for kids out here, yeah? And this is one of the things that we are really, really, Rustomjee is proud of. Well, that's it, and to summarize, don't be driven by fear, don't be driven by greed. Look at the trends happening, look at where the city is moving, look at the rented people, look at the statistics, look at the figures and take a call. You cannot go wrong with real estate over a 10-year period. So here's to building wealth for yourself and your family and leaving a legacy for all of you. Lots of love. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.